Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will have a look at the reports view in projects. Here we have a project. Let's add the reports view first. To do that, click on the plus symbol and type reports. Then click on add. The reports view is now added. At the top, you will see all the key insights. Here, you can see the number of total tasks. Right below that, you can see the completed tasks. Next to that, we have active users, billable hours, and the average utilization rate. At the bottom, you will see this task by user chart. You can scroll down to see more details. Next to that, we have utilization. When you click on it, you'll see the utilization chart. Next, we have billable time. When you click on it, you'll see a chart of billable hours and non-billable hours. And here, we have estimated versus actual hours chart. When you click on this, you'll see estimated hours and approved hours. We can also change this chart to table view by clicking on table. Now we have a table view. We can use the filter here to filter information, and we can also export this chart. When you click on export, you'll see all the options. We can also view data for a particular date. Simply click on this and select a date from the calendar. That's how you can use the reports view in projects.